These new watches from Zodiac might be the official watch of the summer. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. The watches we're taking a closer look at today are absolutely magnificent. These beautiful Zodiac Super Sea Wolf watches, produced in white ceramic, look incredible and have the most amazing summer fun colorways. Before we dig into all the details though, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos. The Zodiac Super Sea Wolf lineup of watches is definitely the brand's most famous and most popular, for good reason as well, as these are fantastic dive watches with a great history and beautiful current design. This particular model is obviously made in a white ceramic, which is new for the brand. We've previously seen a black ceramic model, which was a huge knockout as well. That was a fantastic watch, and this one is sized almost exactly the same at just a hair over 40 millimeters with a 48.5 millimeter lug to lug and just about 13.5 millimeters thick. Previously with the black, they just released one single colorway, but with this series they've released 3 different colors: a teal, a dark blue dial, and then this one with a silvery orange accented dial. I find each one of these to be appealing in their own way, and if you're a fan of fun colors, this series of watches will definitely speak to you as well. One of the best features of the Zodiac Super Sea Wolf lineup as a whole is its wearability. Here on Monica's just over 6.5-inch wrist, you can see that this model, even being slightly larger than its steel counterpart, wears extremely well. The fun colorways make this even more exciting and give us a great option for the summer. Another reason that these watches are so popular is they're really well spec'd for the price. They of course have some features that you would want in a Swiss-made watch, including a sapphire crystal, an automatic movement with impeccable accuracy, but on top of that, they also have 200 meters of water resistance. They also have a high-quality dive timing bezel and are very legible, even in these fun colorways. Here's a shot of these watches on my 8-inch wrist as a comparison. You can tell that no matter what size wrist you have, you're going to be able to enjoy this series of watches. I think that this is a super exciting move from the brand, as it goes along with their brand ethos of having fun colored watches, and these ones take it even a step further in that beautiful white ceramic. The movement inside these watches is chronometer certified, so you know you'll be getting a great timekeeping companion. The accuracy will be top tier. The movement is found beneath this sealed stainless steel caseback with a huge Zodiac engraved logo there in the center. To have a fully ceramic cased chronometer certified watch at the $1,800 price tier is fantastic. I can't believe the type of value that Zodiac puts into this series of watches, but it matches what they do with all of their others also. I truly love this brand. I think they are doing great things for the watch collecting community. The only real problem I see here is going to be deciding which one of these colorways you'll want to take home and add to your own collection. I'm personally partial to this dark navy blue on the light blue strap. I think the contrast there is amazing, although each one of these has value in their own right. The orange has a great matching inner chapter ring, the teal matches the dial to the strap perfectly, and like I said, this dark navy blue looks incredible in person. Whichever direction you decide to go, I know you'll be happy if you add one of these to your own collection, and if you'd like to, you can reach out to us here at Right Time. We have them in stock. These watches are perfect for summer. Not only are they super durable, scratch resistant, and waterproof, but they've got beautiful fun colorways and a great summer strap. If you'd like to purchase one of these watches or any of our others, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.